Seattle is not a camper van friendly city. So we haven't filmed in a little bit because we've been so stressed out just trying to make it by. But the other night, I got permission to park in front of my friend's house that he's renting in Seattle. Like, okay, sweet, we got a place to stay. But he wasn't home at the time. So we went in there, scouted out the spot. It was on we were parking on a road, but it is legal, it was alright. But then we tried to find a bathroom, and I don't know if it's because of the high homeless populations, but it's just, you can't find a public bathroom anywhere. And then, so we have to go into like a store and buy something, but in order to do that, you have to find parking. I almost got this van stuck in a parking garage because of the clearance. And then we had to like pay for parking, and then it took our money, didn't give us parking. So it was just a big old mess, just trying to go to the bathroom. But then we woke up at 5:30 in the morning, and I got to my GRE test, and I took the test. Hopefully I did all right with the lack of sleep. But now we're up in Mount Vernon, north of Seattle, staying at another friend's house. We're parked in front of it. And we were gonna camp at a campsite tonight, but they just invited us over. But it is so much nicer up here, just out of the city. You can actually drive. In Seattle, Mandy would be navigating and I'd be driving, and we would still miss our turns because it's just, this camper van doesn't fit in that city. Ooh, catwalk, catwalk, catwalk. It's going on the video. We've driven up the mountain. We should be looking over the ocean, but we'll see if we can make it out of the clouds. So we're hiking through a cloud somewhere on the coast in Washington right now. We didn't really have much plans for today, so we just drove to a pretty spot and started walking. So we're gonna walk out to this island. You can see our blue dot is where we are. And we're supposed to be able to walk all the way out here. But I think it's high tide right now, because I don't see a way we can walk out there. We found ourselves a campsite. Not really a campsite, but a place we can park overnight and not get in trouble. Now we're making dinner. Tacos are almost ready. Oh, we still gotta do chicken, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty soon. And then what are we gonna do tonight?
Try to sleep.
What time is it?
It's like almost 6.
Oh man, 6 is our bedtime. Now, once the sun goes down, we go down as well. So once we're done with dinner, we normally turn the sofa bed into the bed. And then we disconnect the stove stuff, but we leave it out for breakfast. And now we're probably gonna read for a bit and then get to bed. Yeah, these nights definitely we go to sleep early once the sun goes down.